Today Prime News highlight from SNH from Kanpur, UP. PM to visit Kanpur, inaugurate several projects. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be inaugurating and laying the foundation stone for 15 mega development projects worth over 47,573 crore rupees here on Friday. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also attend the inauguration event, which is expected to see major announcements aimed at transforming Kanpur with world-class infrastructure and amenities, the state government said in a statement. Modi will inaugurate the new underground section of the Kanpur Metro Rail project from Chunniganj to Kanpur Central. This section includes 5 new underground stations, Chunniganj, Bada Chauraha, Naveen Market, Nayaganj and Kanpur Central. With this extension, important city landmarks such as Lal Imli, Z Square Mall, Green Park Stadium, Parade Ground, Book Market, and Somnath Plaza will be directly connected via metro. Currently, 9 stations are operational from IIT Kanpur to Moti Jheel. The new section will make metro travel in the city more convenient, faster and safer, according to the statement. Prime Minister Modi will also inaugurate 3 660 megawatt power units in Ghatampur and a thermal power project in Panki. These projects are expected to ensure stable and sufficient electricity supply for Uttar Pradesh and neighboring states. Additionally, 2 new railway bridges from Panki power plant to Kalyanpur will be inaugurated, enabling uninterrupted coal and fuel transportation. This will improve the efficiency of power plants and help reduce traffic congestion, the statement said. In Bingavan, Modi will dedicate a 40 MLD, megaliters per day, tertiary treatment plant to the nation. A tertiary treatment plant is the last stage of wastewater treatment process. This facility will treat sewage water and make it suitable for reuse in industries and irrigation. It is expected to promote water conservation and recycling. A new fire station along with its residential and non-residential buildings in the Bithur area of Kanpur will also be inaugurated, strengthening the city's emergency response capabilities. Prime Minister Modi will also virtually inaugurate several other projects across Uttar Pradesh. These include 2 132 kilovolt power substations in Greater Noida and thermal power plants in Jawaharpur, Obrasi and Kurja. These projects will significantly increase the energy supply system and industrial production in the entire state, it added. He will also lay the foundation stone for 3 new projects worth over 441 crore rupees focused on smart infrastructure.